Hello, I'm going to show you how to deposit funds on Blofin. So first of all, log into your Blofin account and click Assets, and then go to Overview, click on Deposit. You can also find Deposit button on each account page. On the Deposit page, select the crypto you want to deposit. Here, we will use USDT TRC20 as an example. Click the Copy button or scan the QR code and paste the deposit address into the withdrawal address field on the withdrawal platform. You can follow the instructions on the withdrawal platform to initiate the withdrawal request. After initiating the withdrawal request, the token deposit needs to be confirmed by the block. Once confirmed, the deposit will be credited to your funding account. Please view the credited account in your overview or funding account. You can find your recent deposit records in the history deposit